Hello my dear friends. Today we are going to solve the June 2024 question number 5b, which was asked for 5 marks. Bank reconciliation statement. From the following particulars, prepare the bank reconciliation statement of a businessman on 31st March 2024. So we have to see the cutoff date as 31st March 2024. So first line, bank overdraft as per cash book, rupees 24,000. So this is our base. So let us write it in the answer. In the books of the businessman name is not given, so we will keep it as it is. In the books of dash BRS as on 31st March 2024, BOD as per cash book. Since it is a bank overdraft, I will write it in the less column, 24,000. Next one, first adjustment. Checks deposited as per bank statement but not recorded in the cash book. So cash book is my base. So base I will write it on the right hand side. This can be altered. Now check deposited as per bank statement. So there is a increase in the bank passbook plus 4,000. Cash book no entry is made. So in my cash book I have to add how much? 4,000. So in the answer, checks deposited as per passbook but not recorded in cash book. Add column I will write 4,000. Second one, cash received from X was entered in the bank column of the cash book. So cash received, we have to debit the cash account, but wrongly he has debited bank account of the bank column of the cash book, but no increase in the passbook. Since cash book is my base, to make it equal, I will deduct 3,150. So minus 3,150, less column. Okay. Next one. Debit side of bank column casted short. Debit side means receipt side. Receipt side we have taken 1,000 rupees less in the cash book. So my balance of cash book has decreased by 1,000. But passbook there is no impact. So to nullify this 1,000 rupees I have to add 1,000. So add column 1,000. Next, a check of rupees 9,000 deposited but collection as per bank statement is 8,950. So checks deposited in cash book we have increased 9,000 rupees, but in passbook it is only how much? 8,950. It is collected less. So how much is the amount difference? So 50 rupees if I deduct it from the cash book, my cash book will be equal to passbook. So cash book less column 50. Next one, bills sent to bank for collection collected by the bank but not recorded in the cash book. So passbook there is a increase by 4,200. Cash book there is no increase. So now in cash book I have to add this 4,200. So in the add column, bills collected by bank 4,200. Next, bank charges recorded twice in the cash book. So bank charges recorded twice. So minus 40 and minus 40. We have recorded twice. In passbook it is only one time, minus 40. So to nullify this minus 40 double time, I will add 40 so that minus and plus get cancelled. Minus 40 and minus 40 will be remains same. So plus 40. Here I have missed that adjustment. Let me write it. Adjustment number 7. Bank charges recorded twice in cash book. So add column 40. Okay, I will make a changes to the serial numbers. This is 8. This is 9. Okay, next. Noting charges debited in passbook for discounted bills of exchange. Noting charges is the expenses. My passbook balance has decreased by 60, but no entry in the cash book, so cash book also I have to deduct by 60. So noting charges 60 rupees. Next, checks deposited on 25th March 24 but collection by 5th April. So checks deposited but not yet collected. So when we deposit, we already made the cash book entry as plus 4800. Passbook there is no increase. To make them equal, cash book I have to deduct 4800. So deduct column 4800. Check deposited but not yet realized. Last adjustment, check issued but not presented for payment and they are presented on 6th April. So when we issue the check, we will make the journal entry in the passbook. In cash book minus 3000. Passbook there is no adjustment yet because since they are not yet presented for payment. To make them equal, we will add it here 3000. So add column 3000. Now just check out the balancing figure, which side is heavier. On the credit side, that is less side, 24,000, 3,150, 50, 60, 4,800. So total comes to 32,060. On the debit side, the total is 4,000, 1,000, 4,240 and 3,000. It is 12,240. It has to be deducted from 32,060. So there is a difference of 19,820. This 19,820 I have to write it here. This is my balancing figure. That means less column is heavier. Again it is what? Bank overdraft as per passbook. This is how your answer will look like. Okay, this was a easy question. It was asked for 5 marks only. So next class we will see one question on adjusted cash book method of BRS. Thank you.